Hello and welcome to this Amcrest video tutorial. This video will show you how to install a microSD card in your ASH21 Wi-Fi Pan tilt camera and baby monitor. A microSD card is required to store events outside of the Amcrest Smart Home Cloud. The camera is compatible with microSD cards up to 256 gigabytes. Please ensure you use a Class 10 or higher microSD card that is capable of sufficient read-write speeds for your high-definition recordings. It is highly recommended to ensure the microSD card is properly formatted to FAT32 before proceeding. For more information on how to format your microSD card, please see the link in the description below for our support article. For added security, the microSD card slot is concealed. The microSD card slot can be accessed by manually sliding the front of the camera upward. The recommended method is by using the Amcrest Smart Home app to tilt the camera up. Please note, be sure not to touch the lens when manually raising the camera. Touching the lens may smudge or degrade the lens. Do not force the camera upward as any additional pressure to the device may damage the camera. Using the Amcrest Smart Home app to tilt the camera is recommended. To insert a microSD card, ensure the gold contacts are facing down, and press in to secure. An audible click will be heard once the card is securely inserted. When finished, tilt the camera back down, and your camera will be ready to start recording to the microSD card. We hope this video helped you learn how to install a microSD card into your ASH21 camera. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and more instructional videos from Amcrest.